I am a psychotherapist in private practice, and I focus on stress disorders, post-traumatic stress disorder, anxiety and depression, chronic pain, and also an area that I have expertise in, which is career development. Because I have a variety of experiences, including family and youth work. I've also worked with people from different ethnic backgrounds. I've worked with adults, I've worked with children, adolescents. I've worked with couples. I've had a wide range of work experience, from vocational rehab to career development, career employment, counseling, and also family therapy. Well, I tend to work with the mind, thoughts, feelings, and the physical body. I do have a very good background in brain science, neuroscience. So I also educate people on how the brain works and how it affects a lot of what's going on in them. And we also know that a lot of what motivates people is unconscious or subconscious. And I believe therapy is bringing some of those thoughts and feelings to awareness. And that's a large part of what we do in counseling. I tend to have a balance between going with the flow and furthering goals, because I know clients sometimes can get off track and get distracted by things, and we want to make sure that the person is actually moving towards their goals. However, in saying that, I'm not wanting to be really directive either, because sometimes people don't want to go certain places, and we need to be, working with their goals. That is, I like to meet people where they're at. And I also like to help them develop goals for them that really fit with their life, really fit with, them as a person. And then we go from there to decide, what their ultimate goal is. And I help them refine that and move towards it. I really believe that people have it within them to overcome some really challenging life experiences. And a lot of times when I talk to people, they've forgotten the kind of strengths that they have. They've forgotten who they are, really, and have been overcome by life experiences. And I do believe that they can take their life back, take their power back, and direct their life again where they want it to go. I want them to know that it's really important for me to provide a safe place. A safe place for them to be able to open up and talk about what it is that they're feeling. Many people have not experienced safe places in their life, and counseling should be a safe environment. It should be a non-judgmental environment as well. And I want them to know that that's what I like to provide for them. And I like them to know also that I'm compassionate and will meet them where they're at. I really enjoy this work. It's inspiring to see people change. When people come back to me and say, what you said last week really worked for me, I just find that so gratifying that they're able to take back their lives and feel empowered. It's really important to me that they can transform these very difficult situations into a life where they're happy, and where they're wanting to be, rather than be struggling with the way they're feeling before. I just want to let people know to investigate my website. I have a lot of information on it. I have articles on various things like depression and anger, even career development, and I also offer a 30-minute telephone interview for people to decide whether my counseling service is a good fit for them. So I'm looking forward to meeting with you. If you want to get hold of me, my phone numbers are on the website.
Wonderful.